Hey there, Capricorn. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot, and this is the reading for your love life situation, particularly. And I have already shuffled cards, because I have done a reading in other language. So I pull card and uh, let's see what's card come up for you. As you are seeing that Ace of Cup, Three of Sword, Ten of Wand, and the Knight of Pentacles. And underneath the deck you have Queen of Cups, Nine of Swords, Page of Cup, Ten of Pentacle, and Six of Pentacle. So you are having some kind of emotional. You are getting emotional in month of October, and you are worrying over something. Um, you want some kind of offer from maybe to make your life stable. So some kind of worry. Maybe your partner is not with you. And you want to offer your cup of love, maybe apology to that person to have your stability and balance in your love life. Or maybe this Queen of Cup, your partner, the water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Maybe it can be a Libra. It can be any sign, but you are having some kind of worries, anxiety, because of maybe it can be because finances. You are lacking in finances right now. So some financial issues are coming your way in your love life, but I'm seeing that in month of October you are having some stability in finances, or you will be abundant in your love life, or in your emotional life. So let's see what other cards are telling you about your love life. You are having some emotional new beginning in your love life, but there is some kind of heartbreaks, maybe some disappointment. Maybe there is a third party situation. Maybe you are already committed with someone, maybe in a married relationship, but you are having some emotions building with this Queen of Cup. So you are worrying that you are already married, or maybe this Queen of Cup is already married. So you cannot offer your cup of love for this person. It can be a third party situation, but it can be a situation. This third party can be a financial issue, or whatever it is. So you are having some difficulty in this new emotional beginning because some kind of disappointment. You have a lot of responsibility of your partner on your shoulder. So but in your in if it's a financial lack, or this financial situation is coming between you and your partner, the maybe your partner is not wanted to commit, you want to commit you because of financial issues. So you are having the stability in the month of October regarding your finances. uh, and this third party situation may can you will leave this third party situation, and will take your responsibility back and stability in your love life again. Or some outcome cards I got for you, because you are having some kind of clarity, or if you are having some financial lack. So you will have some job offer in the end of month, or job interview call. So you can end this worried kind of situation from your love life, and you can start something new, so that you can have this new emotional beginning in your love life. So I'm seeing that you will be abundant and self-sufficient and independent on your own finances, and you will do good in yourself, in your work, or maybe in your love life also. You will be generous, you will be abundant, so that this third party situation, or maybe these worries kind of situation will end, and you will start something new with your partner in month of October. Your love life will be balanced. Your love life will be balanced and abundant. So, Capricorn, that was your reading for the month of October regarding your love life. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.